scoring ping pong right now. Today's competitors are Chuck Roman and Brett Poe.
Holy shit, I fucking love ping pong!
Yes,
Fuck
sir.
yeah!
We have excited drive-by people right now. They love ping pong. And we're getting a lot of horns right now. Honk if you like ping pong.